So for you guys, if you ever wanted, when you're doing tune-ups and you have misfires, or you wanted to drive on the road and a little duct tape, have it in the tailpipe while you're driving down the road and find that you're feeding too rich, it's making it past the catalytic converters not working, or you drill your tap hole or use a tap hole ahead of and you want to diagnose 4-gas analyzer. Here's a company that makes 4-gas analyzers, and I'll just let you see this, and you can go to their website. This is the name of the company right here, and they probably have,
yeah, this is the model Novo right here,
the Novo model. They do make a model that has the capability of 6 gases,
5 or 6,
5 or 6 gases. And so if you wanted to step up from that, and let's see their website,
CitronAmericas.com.
CitronAmerica.com.
You got it.
And so anybody who ever wanted a 4, 5, or even 6 gas analyzer held in your hand so you could take on test drives, this is one of the many companies that are out there that does that. That's all. See you guys later.